Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Dyson V7 Motorhead Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, seen here in Fuchsia. It's got over 6,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. It stands at 49 inches tall, is cord-free and hassle-free, has powerful suction, up to 30 minutes runtime when using a non-motorized tool. Also has a detachable battery. It's lightweight and versatile for easy home cleaning, has an instant release trigger, which means battery power is only used while it's cleaning. Takes about 3.5 hours for a full charge. Has nice stiff nylon bristles to really get into that carpet and capture deep down dirt. And it sports Hygienic bin emptying, so no need to touch the dirt. It also quickly transforms to a handheld vacuum to clean all around your home and car. And don't forget, Dyson makes a lot of other interesting vacuums as well, so if this one doesn't suit your needs, don't forget to check out the other ones. Now let's check out a helpful review from Yoda Flame called "You Will Feel Like a Cleaning Ninja." This thing is so convenient. My apartment is much cleaner now because I can just grab this thing and fly over my floors, rather than hauling out the vacuum cleaner and having to plug it in 3 different places because the cord doesn't reach. The swivel is just genius, and the suction is really good. Awesome. So check out this Dyson V7 Motorhead Cordless Vacuum today. You're gonna love it.